Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Check the kit's expiry and seals because a damaged or expired test can mislead you. Use first morning urine for higher HCG concentration. Wash and dry your hands to avoid contamination. Once done, open the package and remove the test only when you're ready to proceed. Make sure the timer is set to the exact minutes listed on the leaflet. That timing matters for accurate results. Keep the dropper or device within reach so you don't interrupt the flow. Now you collect and apply the sample. Either urinate directly on the midstream tip as instructed, or collect urine in a clean cup and dip the strip only to the indicated line. If using drops, apply the exact number specified, often 2 to 4 drops, because too much or too little can affect flow. Once the sample is applied, lay the device flat on a clean surface and start the timer. Make sure not to jostle the test while it develops. Stability ensures a clear result. Finish by reading the result within the exact time window specified. The control line must appear to validate the test, and a second line indicates pregnancy. Take a photo and note the time for your records, and dispose of the used kit in household waste following local guidance. If the test is positive, contact your healthcare provider for confirmation and next steps. Troubleshooting tip. If the control line fails to appear, the test is invalid. Repeat with a new kit using fresh urine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.